Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we start our trip from Itäkeskus, another metro station in the east. And we're going to create bus line number 92, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's right. Number 92 connects Itäkeskus metro station with Myllypuro metro station. So it basically does what all the other lines since line number 80 do. It picks up passengers, throws them to a metro station, and allows them to continue their journey. It attracts transit passengers. Now we start using existing track from the Itäkeskus terminal, and then we stop at Ratasmyllytie, and then we stop at Roihupelto. Then we create a bus stop here, which will not be used by this line, but it will be needed later on. And once again, to make things easy for me, I will build the stop here, despite this line not stopping there. So here we go. It's the metro depot. That's basically what it is, and there is a large metro depot over there. So that's the first new track part, and then the following stop is called Myllypuron jäähalli, and that is going to be let's first see what it is in Swedish. Well, Kvarnbäckens ishall, how original. It will... Huh? Okay. Now wait a second here. I seem to have some difficulties actually finding the spot. Oh. No wonder I seem to have trouble finding the spot. I am completely in the wrong place. And no wonder we don't stop at the metro depot, because we're not even... What the hell? Yeah, we're not going there. Instead, we stop at Ratasmyllytie, and then we stop at Myllypuron jäähalli, which is over here. Now it all makes sense. Now it makes a lot more sense to me. No wonder I didn't find the stop. There we go. And I can already see the end of the line on the stop list in my browser, meaning that it's about between 10 and 15 stops on the line. After the ice rink stop, we will then stop at Myllyväenkatu, and that is called Kvarnfolksgatan in Swedish, and it's located right next to the roundabout. There. Then we obviously turn up north from Myllyväenkatu. And the following stop is Mamsellimyllynkatu, and this is a very, very interesting stop name. I mean, really. Mamsellskvansgatan. Oh, okay, but still. And after that, the following stop will be at Kolsintie, Kolsivägin. That is a very, very short distance between stops, actually. Then we have Neulapadontie, Nåldamsvägin. And then Orpaanporras. This area has some very, very strange names. After Orpaanporras, we stop at Myllytuvantie, Kvarnstuguvägen. And the following stop is called Karistimentie. Skakkäppsvägen. That is okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's basically the stop is called the road of the shaking stick. The following stop will be at the Myllypuro metro station, a bit south of the station itself. And so the quickest way to go would be, of course, to take the come on, would be to take the metro from Itäkeskus to Myllypuro or vice versa. But this is for people. This line is for people to reach the metro. So I don't think anybody will actually ever travel this line from Itäkeskus to Myllypuro. It's just meant for collecting new passengers to feed to the metro. Now after Myllypuro station, there are still a couple of stops left. Sorry. The first stop is Alakiventie 5, and that's Understensvägen 5. Alakiventie actually is famous because there at the end of the road there is a huge park, and there was an old landfill which was constructed as a residential area was constructed there. It's over here. And they realized in the late 90s that the soil was very contaminated and it was actually hazardous to live in there. So they demolished the houses and they evicted the people, demolished the houses, and it was nationwide news headlines back then. And one more stop, which will probably be at the end of the loop. That's correct. That's Alakiventie, Understensvägen. And then we'll just connect with the network, and then we can go on creating a line. And that's it. After the loop, the signals and the loop are completed. I will then... Oops. I will then have finished constructing the tracks, and then we can create the line. But first, the loop. Loop the loop. I'll probably need to do a small fix in here to avoid issues with the buses, but that's it. The blueprints have been created, and now we will create line number 92. So it's just a 10-kilometer line. That's not much. But there it is. Everything is ready for service, and the line will operate every, let's see, I guess 10 minutes. That's right, every 10 minutes during rush hour. So that's how often it will operate in this fictional world too. Like I said, line 92 every 10 minutes, and that means I need 3 buses to run it. 3 buses is quite normal for these feeder lines, I think. That's it, line complete, everything in order, and that's all for today. I will, sorry, I will once again return tomorrow with a new. Wait a minute, where are the buses? I will once again return tomorrow with a new video. Until then, bye.